Hey there, YouTubers. Me again. Just gonna have a quick video, shouldn't be more than a few minutes long, on changing the windshield wipers on your Chrysler 300 or Dodge Magnum. I think just about every car in the world is going to need a wiper change at some point, and there are a lot of auto shops that'll do it for you for free. And if that's the case, well, then don't worry about it. But if you're like me and prefer to do it yourself, after I've had one windshield wiper fly off a car because somebody else put it on, I've decided I'm going to do it myself from now on. Even though they will do it free elsewhere, sometimes free isn't for me. Usually it is, but not in that case. So anyway, if you want to know how to do a windshield wiper on your Chrysler 300 or Magnum, just watch what I'm doing. The hardest part is getting the old one off. Kind of just pull your wiper up like this. Careful it doesn't catch your hood. Mine does not, but it's really close. So just be careful you don't put a little too much pressure on there and damage your paint on your hood. Now, back here, you'll see a little tiny tongue or lever, and you just want to push that lever towards the windshield wiper, and then just kind of smack it down a little bit. You can't keep it totally cockeyed. You're going to have to kind of leave it like this, but it just releases. For the sake of a close-up, I'm just going to show you this little lever right here. This is where it is. See that little tiny lever right there? But you're going to push it towards the wiper. Okay, because I know you couldn't see that when I was actually doing it. So I figured I'd give you a nice little close-up. That's your lever right there. This one obviously was on its way out. These were some pretty fancy wipers somebody put on there. I don't know, let's see if they don't say Mopar Originals or anything. But I might hang on to them just because I'm not sure if they're originals or not. They look pretty fancy for an original. Alright, then your new one just slides back in the same way. You got your little lever here. Alright, and you want to make sure you're going back the same way, right? Because your lever goes towards the wiper. So you want to put this in. You got to kind of stick this into the wiper and then slide your new one up inside. And then you're going to push it until it clicks. And then that's it. We're done. See? Not too terribly difficult. Those are definitely not as pretty as my originals. I don't know if these are originals or not, or if these are just some fancy aftermarket. If you're a Chrysler person, let me know. But honestly, this car has almost 170,000 miles on it. So I'm guessing these are probably not original, or they're pretty darn good wipers if they are. But anyway, you can just do your windshield, your driver's side if you wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and do both sides. I don't know why, just because I'm a glutton for punishment. But always make sure you've got a new one on your driver's side so you can see what's going on. It doesn't hurt to put them on the passenger side too, because eventually this happens and then you can damage your windshield, so it's not worth it, okay? So anyway, appreciate y'all. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends. Don't forget to read your Bible daily. And hype it if you don't mind. See ya!